Have you ever taken a frozen pizza out of the freezer and wondered how it ends up looking almost exactly the same every single time? The crust is perfectly round, the cheese is evenly spread, and every pepperoni slice seems to be in just the right place. It feels like a homemade meal that's been frozen, but in reality, it has already passed through one of the most sophisticated food production lines in the world. Let's uncover the process right here on Simply Understood. Every frozen pizza starts with the dough. In large industrial mixers, flour, water, yeast, salt, oil, and other ingredients are blended into enormous batches that can weigh hundreds of kilograms. Sensors constantly monitor the temperature because dough is surprisingly sensitive. If it gets too warm while mixing, the yeast becomes too active. If it's too cold, fermentation slows down, changing the final texture. After mixing, the dough rests while the yeast begins producing carbon dioxide. Tiny gas bubbles become trapped inside the gluten network, slowly giving the dough its light, airy structure. Once the dough has developed enough, dividing machines cut it into identical portions before automated presses flatten each piece into a perfectly round pizza base. The crust now moves along a conveyor belt toward the first baking stage. Most frozen pizzas aren't fully baked at this point. Instead, factories use a process called par baking, where the crust is partially cooked. This gives it enough structure to support the toppings while leaving the final browning for your home oven. It also removes excess moisture, helping the pizza stay crisp after freezing. Once the crust cools slightly, automated dispensers begin adding toppings with remarkable precision. First comes the sauce, spread evenly by spinning nozzles or rotating spreaders that leave a narrow border around the edge for the crust. Next comes the cheese, carefully weighed so every pizza contains nearly the same amount. Depending on the product, machines then add vegetables, sausage, mushrooms, peppers, or pepperoni. Some toppings are surprisingly difficult to automate. Pepperoni slices, for example, are often placed by high-speed robotic systems that can position dozens of slices in just a few seconds. Ingredients that naturally vary in shape, like mushrooms or peppers, require machines designed to distribute them evenly despite their irregular sizes. After topping, the pizza enters another oven for a short finishing bake. This melts the cheese slightly and helps the toppings adhere to the crust. But the pizza still isn't fully cooked. Manufacturers know that the final baking will happen later, inside millions of home ovens with different temperatures and cooking times. Every step before freezing is designed with that final bake in mind. The next stage may be the most important of all. Instead of allowing the pizza to cool slowly, factories rapidly freeze it using powerful blast freezers or spiral freezers, where extremely cold air circulates at high speed. The goal is to freeze the pizza as quickly as possible. Fast freezing creates much smaller ice crystals inside the food. Smaller crystals cause less damage to the dough, cheese, and vegetables, helping the pizza keep its texture after it's baked at home. Slow freezing would allow larger crystals to form, breaking apart cells and leaving ingredients watery once thawed. After freezing, cameras and automated inspection systems check every pizza for missing toppings, damaged crusts, or packaging defects. Each pizza is then sealed inside moisture-resistant packaging that protects it from air and prevents freezer burn during storage and transport. The deeper story is that frozen pizza factories aren't simply making pizza, they're preparing for a cooking process that hasn't happened yet. Engineers must predict exactly how every ingredient will behave weeks or even months later when someone places that frozen pizza into a hot oven. The crust must finish baking at the same time the cheese melts, while the toppings heat through without drying out. Every ingredient, every baking step, and every freezing decision is carefully adjusted to make that final result possible. The next time you slide a frozen pizza into the oven, it may seem like you're starting the cooking process. In reality, you're finishing one that began weeks earlier in a factory where biology, chemistry, refrigeration, and automation all worked together long before dinner ever reached your freezer. It's a reminder that even one of the world's most convenient meals is the product of extraordinary planning, hidden beneath a layer of cheese.